Welcome. If Snapchat notifications are constantly grabbing your attention and you'd prefer a quieter, less disruptive experience, turning on silent notifications is exactly what you need. This allows you to stay updated without the sound, vibration, or pop-ups interrupting your day. Let's walk through how to enable silent notifications on Snapchat step by step. First, grab your phone and open your main settings app. This is where all your device-level controls live. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the apps section and tap on it. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but the idea is the same. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through and tap on Snapchat. This will take you to Snapchat's app-specific settings, where you can control permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Now tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly how Snapchat alerts you. You'll see different options here, but what you're looking for is notification categories. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside notification categories, you'll find more detailed controls for different types of alerts Snapchat sends, like messages, stories, and more. Look for the option labeled Silent Notifications. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. That's it. From now on, Snapchat notifications will still appear, but they won't make noise or interrupt you with vibrations or pop-ups. It's a great way to stay informed without being constantly distracted. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and turn silent notifications off. This gives you full control over how and when Snapchat gets your attention.